Hello programmers, my name is Lynn, and in today's video I will be teaching you about tuples in Python. By the end of this video you will understand the meaning of immutability, you will understand the rules of tuples, you will understand the difference between tuples and lists and the common things between them, you will understand the whole point of tuples compared to lists, and you will apply all of these concepts into the Jupyter notebook, as well as taking a mini quiz at the end to test your knowledge. So what are tuples? Tuples are said to be immutable, meaning they cannot be changed and they are always constant. And you can use tuples to represent constant information, for example, the number of days in a week, or the number of months in a year, or etc. The difference between tuples and lists. Now, tuples and lists are extremely similar. However, tuples are constant, immutable, and they cannot be changed. And they use parentheses, while lists they can be changed in many ways, such as by reassigning, and they use square brackets. If you don't know much about lists, make sure to check the video in the eye in the corner, and I will be linking it in the description box in case. Next is the common things between lists and tuples. I'm just going to refresh your mind about them. Now, they both use commas in order to separate objects, and you can use a variety of data types in both of them. They both use the Append function, which is used to count the number of items in the list or tuple, and they both support indexing and slicing. Again, if you don't know about indexing and slicing, I will be linking a video in the eye in the corner and in the description box. Now, what's the whole point of tuples when you have lists? And lists actually have even more methods, way more methods compared to tuples. Well, tuples aren't often used in programming, but it's extremely important to use them when you need something to be immutable and it's constant that will never change. So guys, let's hop into our Jupyter notebook and explore these concepts. See you there. Alright guys, here we are in our Jupyter notebook. Now I'm going to be creating a tuple, and I'm going to call it T, and I'm going to use parentheses, and I'm going to make a tuple of integers, but of course you can use any type of data type, and you can even mix them together. Okay, perfect. Now let's try it out. Alright, perfect. Now, as I said before, lists have way more special, fun, creative methods that you can use. But here's one example that is used in tuples. The first one, or the one that we have, is index. And it's used to find the index of a number. So what you have to do is the d.index and parentheses. Inside the parentheses, you should put the value that you need. So for example, 1, the index of that is 0. If you put 2, the index of that is 1. And 3, 2, and so on. Okay, now I'm going to be explaining about immutability furthermore. So let's say the same list I have, T, if I want to add 0, let's run it. Let's see what it gives us. Oh, yeah, this is the index again. But if we say t.0 and we say equal to change, because I'm adding change now, it gives me error. What about using the append function? So in our last videos, we learned that append is a function that is used to add an item to a list or to a tuple or a dictionary or whatever. So let's try it. T.append. Let's see if it works with tuples. And I want to add 1. It gives me error. And this is proof that tuples are immutable. Okay guys, so that's all for the basics of tuples. Let's go back to our slides and we're going to test your knowledge by taking a mini quiz. See you there. Okay programmers, let's test your knowledge. I will be giving you 3 questions and you should answer them. The first question is, compared to lists, Tuples have way more methods associated with them. Is that true or false? Pause this video, think about it, and unpause it when you're ready. And the correct answer is false. As we said before, tuples have less methods associated with them compared to lists. Okay, question number 2. Lists can change and you can reassign them, while tuples are immutable and therefore can't be changed. Is that true or is that false? Pause this video, think about it, and unpause it when you're ready. And the correct answer is true. Because as we said before, tuples are immutable and they are constant. And last question, which of the following is a tuple? You have some options. So pause this video, think about it, and unpause it when you have the answer. And the correct answer is this, because you should have parentheses from the beginning till the end. So the first one is wrong, the second one is wrong, and the third one is wrong because both square and parentheses are used. So we're gonna go with the fourth one. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn the notification bell on to get notified when we upload a new video. Keep programming, and I'll see you guys next time on Programming Kids. Bye for now.